Good afternoon. It's out in the backyard today. Very cold one, about -35 without the wind chill. And I'm going to make some medicinal spruce resin balm for myself and for my mom. She suffers from a lot of pain, and I thought I'd try making this, see if it would help her. On my last trip to my wilderness camp, I collected some spruce resin and some spruce needles. And spruce resin, I've been collecting it for quite a few years now, mainly for making fire starter. But it has lots of other uses. You know, you can make torches, glue. My dad always talked about picking spruce resin off and using it for chewing gum. Basically all you need is 3 ingredients. 1 cup of olive oil, I'm using shea butter, 1/2 cup of spruce sap, and 1/8 cup of beeswax. So I have this mason jar, and I took a coat hanger, wrapped it around to make a handle, and I poked a bunch of holes with a nail into the lid to act as a strainer. I want to be able to filter out all the spruce needles and bark. Spruce resin also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. I often rub it into any cuts or scratches I receive in the wilderness. As you probably guessed, spruce resin is very flammable, so that's why I'm outside doing this on a double boiler. Just trying to get it all melted before I add the other ingredients. It's a very simple recipe. You take all 3 ingredients, melt it in a container in the double boiler, and I'm using 2 empty Altoid containers to pour the mixture into. You can see everything's melted now. I'm going to add in my spruce needles. I want to add these in right at the very end. You don't want to cook them to death. I'm hoping this mixture will ease some of my mom's pain. If not, it will help with dry, cracked skin caused by colder temperatures and minor cuts and burns.